Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Nissan key fob. Here's what you need. A small Phillips head screwdriver about this size. You need one of these 2016 batteries. You can get these off Amazon, they're just a few bucks. There's a link below in the description. And then I'm also going to be using a small flat blade screwdriver. That's not absolutely necessary, but I think it's helpful. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is unscrew this screw back here. I went ahead and got started to save us some time. Now, this is where I'm going to use the small flat blade screwdriver to split the halves. Depending upon how long your key's been unopened, it could be difficult. You can also use this key to pry a little bit. So go ahead and pop your battery out right here. There's a little arrow right there. And the 2016 goes positive side facing up, which is like that. And then squeeze these back together. Put your screw back in and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.